Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to our math fluency practice for today. We are working on lesson 4 in our module 1 from Eureka. So we are going to practice our math fluency, our math facts together on this recorded video so that when you're live with me, we can really get into the content of the lesson. So for today's math lesson, you are going to need your practice book with the yellow trim and your whiteboard and a whiteboard marker. So go ahead, pause the video if you need to go get those things. A pencil too. Okay, go get them. All right, now that you have your materials, we're going to start with a sprint. The sprint we are going to do today is found on page 11. Okay, just a reminder, when we do our sprints, you're going to start at number 1 and work down that column. When you finish, go to the top and go down. So make sure you're on page 11, which is sprint A, and you're going to have 1 minute. Ready, set, go. Thirty seconds left. Okay, that is time. So let's go over these answers. Starting at the top. Now I am going to go over all the answers just in case you made it all the way through. If you didn't, you can either skip ahead to the next sprint or you can write down the answers. It's always good practice. All right, this sprint was repeated addition connected with multiplication. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, we've got 15. And that's the same as 3 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3 5s. 3 times 5 is 15. And then we can swap those and do 5 times 3 is also 15. So these numbers are going to be groups of 3. So we've got 6, 6, 6, 10, 10, 10. Again, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video to catch up. 8, 8, 8, 10, 10, 10, 6, 6, 6, 20, 20, 20, 4. Going up to the next column, 12, 12, 12, 9, 9, and then it jumps to a new problem. So there were only 2 here because if we switch 3 times 3, it's still 3 times 3. So we have 15, 15, 15, 14, 14, 14, 18, 18, 18, 12, 12, 12, 16, 16, 16, 28, 28. Okay, count up how many you got correct. And at the very top, go ahead and put that number on that line. If you need to pause the video so you can do that, great. Okay, we're going to do another sprint on page 13. Same format where we have the repeated addition into the 2 multiplication facts. So you're going to have another minute. On your mark, get set, go. Thirty seconds remaining. And that is time. Okay, let's go ahead and start. And again, if I go too fast, feel free to pause the video to catch up. We have 6, 6, 6. 15, 15, 15. 8, 8, 8. 10, 10, 10. 6, 6, 6. 10, 10, 10. 20, 20, 20. 4. Okay, going back up to the top. 12, 12, 12. 16, 16. And again, it's only those 2 together because when you switch 4 times 4, it's still 4 times 4. 20, 20, 20. 12, 12, 12. 16, 16, 16. 14, 14, 14. 18, 18, 18. 24, and finally 24. All right, count up how many you got right. If you need to pause the video, you can, and you need to write it up here. And then hopefully you did better than you did on your first sprint. In that case, I want to know how many better. So you're going to put plus how many you improved. So if you had 10 the first time, and the next time you had 16, that means you would have improved by 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now I would like to use your whiteboard. Oh, actually we're going to do a little bit of group counting. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a minute so you can see me better. Okay, I'm back. So let's skip count by 2. Remember, when you see my thumb go up, you're going to increase by 2. When you see it go down, you're going to decrease by 2. Ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Awesome. And now we're going to count by 3s. This one might be a little bit harder for us because some of us are still learning how to count by 3s. Remember, you can YouTube the video Count by 3s to practice at home, and then we'll continue to practice counting by 3s in our math class together. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. So that was a tricky one, but we're going to keep practicing that. And the last thing we are going to do is going to be on our whiteboard. Let me grab mine. I told you to grab yours, but I didn't have mine. Okay, so let's take a look at this picture that I'm drawing here. Okay. First, I want to write this as a repeated addition problem. So you can pause the video to try it on your own. And then here's the answer. So these are all groups of 2. So I write the repeated addition problem with plus signs in between those. This is 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 6. Now I want to write this as a multiplication problem. Go ahead, pause the video so you can try it yourself. And then here's the answer. This is 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 is the first number because it's 3 groups. Okay. That's it for this video. Make sure you followed along. Keep going on Schoology to make sure you do your math homework as well. Bye.